Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do order in Shopee. So if you want to do some shopping in Shopee, I'm going to show you how. So the first thing is open your Shopee apps, and please make sure that you've already installed this app into your phone. And then you can just choose the stuff that you want to buy. This is the flash sale, and also you can just scroll down, or you can search based on the category what you need to find. For example, you can just go to this column search and then type in the stuff that you want to buy. For example, I want to buy some watch. Okay, and here the result will come out, and you just need to click on the one that you like. For example, I want to buy this one, and then you can see the preview of the stuff, and you can also see the star, the buyer that has been buy both these watch, and you can just click add to cart to buy it later, but you can also choose you can click buy now to buy it right away, and choose the color and the size. Click on buy now. Okay, so this is the checkout page. Please make sure that the address is correct, and then scroll down, choose the payment option. These are the payment option that is provided by the Shopee team. You can just choose the one that you think convenient to you, and then click on place order when you're done with your shopping, and just do the payment with the payment option that you choose before. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can order in Shopee. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all next video. Bye bye.